dirt has begun. Greetings, people, folks, space aliens. My helmet is unclipped. I have my full face on, so not that big of a deal. I'm at Cuyuna, of course, and I am doing something different. I'm starting over here. I want to go right into the North Mahnomen unit, but I think I'm going to ride the trail the whole way up there. Because I came up here to ride trails. Can you believe that? I actually came up here to ride trails. So this is the original drop point. It's actually the backcountry now, I think. Yeah, that was smooth. Here that I didn't do last time. So I kind of want to do this and see what it's like. And it bypasses the road. And I just bypassed the trail that I was going to do. So now I'm going to do this. Don't know what to expect on this. So I thought it was an in and out, but I think it actually comes out somewhere, and I'm not really too sure exactly where it comes out. Oh, this is nice. A little bit of rollingness here. Oh, this is really nice. Getting warmed up because I did not warm up like I usually do. I'm usually at the skills part first, but not today. Today I'm going right in here because I got here so late. Hopefully I can get. So my plan is to do this first. If I have to absolutely come back again tomorrow. I'm going to go do center first. I just go through that. Okay. So I just. Oh, I see. This is a little bit confusing. Yeah, you have to go this way. I want to try to use sledgehammer today too. I'm not going to run it. I'm just going to I want to like go through it. I've never. It's the one trail here that I have not, unless they built something this summer, which wouldn't surprise me if they did. This is actually pretty cool. You know what? It's funny. I've actually lost count how many times I've been to Cuyuna. This was 14 or 15. And once again, I gotta say it, never flatted up here. And there's some guys out in the picnic benches behind me that are flaring a flat tire, a fat tire, a splat tire. So I've definitely been thankful for that, for sure. This place is pretty chunky, and the rocks, they're not soft. But what rock is soft? A soft, rocky patch. I think that was in one of my novels at one point in time. It was like, oops, it doesn't really make sense, does it? Actually, I'm already at the first quadruple black intersection of the center. Oh, I think I could take that. I'm gonna run that next. I'm gonna do this first. Only because I want to have a clear in my mind as to what's what. So if I do it now and then come back, I'm going to be thinking about what's on this trail and not what's on that trail. So I'm going to take it easy to the jumps and then big long loop. So once I get this done, then this is done completely. The only jumps I haven't really gotten are center and the really washed down ones on Dynamite over in the other unit. Yeehaw. Oh, it's just beautiful weather. Like I said, I'm just kind of. Oh! Yeah. I'm just kind of. Yeah! You gotta watch these. Yeah! Gotta watch these. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah! That's probably some of the best stuff on this trail right there. But there's so many leaves down. I don't know. I don't know, man. Oh, wow, jeez. I'm going into that rock a little bit limp. Oh no, not limp. And I'm still kind of sketchy on some of these rock features back here. There's one or two that I just haven't done because that's a long trail. I don't ride it that much. But I'm having fun. Beautiful fall colors. Wow. Okay, here we go, portal. Once you get over this rock garden here, it's really easy, but the last time I was like, crap, I didn't do that. So now I did it, and now I have proof that I did it. And the TVs are all going, fake news. Yeah, well, some of you are idiots. Some of you. Not all, some. All right, so this is my portal jump run. I might redo this if I don't get it, but I'm thinking I'll probably just be fine. I just can't remember where stuff is. Yep. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, I cased it. Crap. It's so dusty and loose. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, I'm casing them. I'm gonna go back and run it again. I'm gonna have to go back. Oh, the wrong direction. But at least I know where I'm going now. Yeah, it's really... Yep. The jump is the problem. The problem is the loose turn right before it. Yes! Yes, yes, yes. I got it. I got you. Yes! Yes, yes, yes! Oh, I got him! I don't know for sure if I got that first one real good, but I know I think I got it last time. Oh, yes! One of the highest points in Cuyuna. I'm almost to the top of Center. Wow. This is pretty cool. If you can do technical stuff, riding and rolling, you can do Center and you can come up here and see this. It's gonna open up here. I remember when I first came up here, I stopped and tried to look there. And there's a big outlook right up here. Let's see if I can do the first part up here. It's getting late in the day and I'm not getting too tired. I could do this again, but it's getting late enough in the day that I might have to come back tomorrow. At least I don't have to do backcountry again. Not that I don't like backcountry, it's an awesome trail, but as far as my jump marathon, yeah, this is epic. Here's this big outlook. My Center run. I'm kind of just scoping stuff out still. Because you can get speed right here, and there's like a rock gap right here. I don't see myself as ever doing. This one I could see doing. Wow. Now we go into those big tables, I think. Whoa! No brakes. Oh, come on. I'm such a weakling. Come on. Jeez. Oh, that's a step down. Oh, I'm in a horrible gear too. I've never done the trails this late in the day. It's kind of cool. The sun is like starting to set, and it's just kind of, the sun was right in my face, but now it's behind some stuff. I'm still on an easy trail, just having fun. Oh, like I said, I don't know how much video I'm going to do here today. I've done a little bit, but don't know what's in store for tomorrow.